Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for me, and comment below. Step 3. Blockchain Daemon Sync. Step 3. Syncing the wallet Daemon. Now, before we can do that, we obviously have to download the software for the Daemon and the wallet. So what we want to do is go to github.com, electroneum releases. Again, the link will be in the description below. Now, moving forward, when you watch this video in the future, you may not see exactly what I'm seeing on my screen. This is the August 2018 point release 1. As you can see, all of the other releases have been put on this page. So, if you go to this page and you don't see August 2018 point release 1, go ahead and download the latest release, whatever that may be, and run through the process just as I am now. The process is exactly the same. Don't worry about it. Alright, so electroneum-wallet-cli.exe is what we're looking for. Version 2.1.1.1 zip. We're going to go ahead and double left click that and start the download. It's going to take just a minute. I'll pause the video and come back after it's complete. Alright, now that the download is completed, we're going to open up our downloads folder. And as you can see, Electroneum Win 2.1.1.1. So we're going to double left click on that. And I'm going to click anywhere in here, like so, Electroneum MD, and it's going to prompt me to extract. I need to extract all of these files into my ETN folder. So wherever that folder is, this guy right here, you're going to want to extract all of these files into that folder. So I'm going to hit select folder, and then I'm going to hit extract. It's going to take just a second. As you can see, it is populating all of those files into my ETN folder. Alright, there we go. So, this is the folder that I want. Go ahead and close out all of this. There we go. Alright, all of the files in one location. Now, let's sync this node to the blockchain. So we're going to open up, double left click Electroneum D. Electroneum D. Windows may or may not throw up a warning. Just acknowledge it and go ahead with opening the file anyway. On this version of Windows, it did not. You should see this once it opens. And again, this may be different by the time you watch this video, but the current version is August 2018 2.1.1.1. As you can see, it's now going to start syncing to the blockchain. Synchronization started. As you can see, 201 out of 473,030 current blocks. So, this is going to take quite a while with this particular computer to sync to the blockchain. Now, what you're going to find is that with a faster computer, faster internet connection, you may be able to sync quicker. This process will probably take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. So I'm going to go ahead and let this node sync to the blockchain. Now, if you come back and check it and you see that it's froze up or something's happened, all you need to do is simply close it out up here and then restart it. And it should restart at the last place that it synced up to. Alright, so approximately 18 hours later, we're a little over halfway done with the synchronization. Like I said, guys, this can take a long time, depending upon the computer, the hardware that you have, the internet connection speed, and how quickly you can actually talk and sync that information from the blockchain will all affect how long this is going to take. So you have to be patient. Here's a professional tip for the more advanced user. So if you were watching very closely on the bottom right section of the screen, you can see that a little over 45 minutes have elapsed since the last clip that I made, where I said I was 18 hours into it and a little over halfway through. Now, as you can see, the blockchain is now synchronized. Well, I cheated, and I want to show you how to cheat if you have another synchronized wallet somewhere else. I'm going to show you how to pull the blockchain, the historical blockchain data, so that you can use your new wallet quicker. All right, let me show you what I did. If you have another computer that you have downloaded the Daemon to before, and you're setting the wallet up on a new host or a new computer, you can actually pull that historical blockchain data off of the old computer and put it on the new computer, and this new installation here, this electroneum-D, will reference that data on this new computer. Let me show you. So what we want to do is go to this PC. We're going to go to local disk, whatever that may be, probably C. And as you can see here, I don't see anything. I don't see the file that I need. What you have to do is go to View, Hidden Items, and you see Program Data popped up. You see that it's not fully visible. It's because it's a hidden file. So we're going to double left click on Program Data, and here is the Electroneum wallet. As you can see, it's 33.3 gigs. It's a very large file. If you have this data, if you have a blockchain that's synced from another computer, you can actually copy this information over and put it into this directory. Now, if you have already started your Daemon and started to sync, you're going to need to wipe out that data first before you place this entire file structure in this location. So what you would want to do is get a 64 gig or larger thumb drive or external hard drive. Alright, so what you want to do is grab this entire file structure from the old system. So if I open this up, I can see all of these files here. Okay. Click down a little further. This is your blockchain data. This is your blockchain data. Okay. So you can see it's a very large file. All right. So you got to have a large enough thumb drive to hold it. And then two, it has to be a thumb drive that is NTFS formatted, not FAT32. If it is FAT32, the file size will be too large, over 4 gigs, and it will not transfer on a Windows 10 installation. Not sure about Windows 7, but Windows 10 it will not transfer. Pretty sure it's the same thing on Windows 7. Now, if you have NTFS, it may still tell you that the file size is too large, but it will transfer over. Alright, so what you would want to do is go out here and you would want to copy this, copy it, and then paste it into the thumb drive location. And then you would take that thumb drive and install it into this host, or the host, the new host, and then copy to this exact location here, program data, and copy the entire Electroneum folder into this location. Then, when you restart your Daemon, right here, it will be synced as if you downloaded all of this data new to this hard drive or this host. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for me, and comment below.